Hi, welcome to Easy Craft, and today we're going to be learning how to make a pencil holder out of popsicle sticks and yarn. Alright, so this is what you're going to need, and I'm going to move the camera so that you can see the table better. Alright, you're going to need popsicle sticks. The fatter ones are better, just because they you don't need as many, and they're just a little bit easier to work with. So you'll need those, a paper cup, yarn, and if you have it, a hot glue gun. If you don't have it, that's okay. You can just use regular Elmer's glue, but I recommend a hot glue gun just because the hot glue sticks better to the cup. If you're going to use a hot glue gun and you are young, make sure that you have a grown-up do it with you, because hot glue guns are very hot and dangerous. So please don't use one by yourself, okay? Always use it with a grown-up. Okay, so once you have your supplies, what you're going to do first is cut the top off the cup. Alright, so I took a pair of scissors and I cut the top off, like so. Once you do that, you're going to take your hot glue gun and your popsicle sticks. You're going to put a strip of hot glue on the bottom of each stick, and you're going to stick it onto the cup. And you're going to keep doing that all the way around. You're going to leave a little bit of space between each stick. You're going to go all the way around. When you're done, it's going to look like this. Alright, so you can see that there's space between each of the sticks, and the cup is inside there. Alright, so you have a nice stand. Now, the fun part of this project is putting the yarn on, because it's like weaving. Alright, you take your first piece of string, and you're going to come in here and you're going to tie it onto the first stick, just a little simple knot, and then you're going to start weaving it in and out of the sticks. Keep going all the way around, and then you're going to do it, and you can see with my finished one, I did about 6 or 7 lines to get that thickness. Right? So I went around about 6 or 7 times, and then when I got to where I wanted my next color, I took my next color and I tied it on to the end of the first piece of yarn, like so. Just again a simple knot, and then I just kept weaving. And as you weave, you kind of pull down on it so that it all comes together. You just keep going, and you can kind of push it down as you go to tighten it up. Right. And then again, back to this one, you can see I did 6 or 7, then I started another color. And you can keep doing that as much as you like, all the way to the top. You can use more than 2 colors, and once you're done, you finish it off by putting a little bead of hot glue, and you put that into the string on there. Right? I think there it is right there. I just glued it on, and then it was all woven together. Alright, that's it. When you're done, you have a nice little pencil holder. Or if you want, you can put dried flowers or artificial flowers in here, and it can be a vase. Okay, so that's our craft for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time.